So I recently went to a couple different Nike factory stores and I ended up getting a couple different pickups, as you can see. Total price was I think under $130 for 2 pairs of shoes and then something else. That's not a bad price, so I wanted to share with you guys my pickups in this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here from CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, now's the time to do it. In fact, today is the best time if you guys are watching this right after I released it. First of all, give yourselves a nice little pat on the back for being on that notification squad, hopefully. But if you guys want to go out to my website, you can see a bunch of different deals that I posted through the day from Twitter and Instagram and whatnot. But these are some really solid deals from Nike.com. Extra 15% off of clearance price, and there's no code needed. You just add the items to cart and the discount is then applied. But some solid deals. So $63 for the Nike Flyknit Racers in the multicolor colorway is a super solid deal. They also have some Special Forces Air Force Ones for only I think $80 something, and they're normally $180. There's a lot of deals where you can save like $100 off of retail, which is insane. The Air Jordan 31s I think are like $80 or something like that. PG ones are $55 and so on. So there's a ton of great deals out there. And if you end up finding any good deals, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you ended up scooping. But have fun shopping out there if you guys are finding any good clearance deals. This is kind of related. I ended up going to the Nike factory stores and got a couple different pickups in this video. And actually one of these pickups I found this morning online for even less because of this Nike sale. So it's definitely worth checking out. Again, link in the description to go to CollectiveKicks.com. Now that we've got that out of the way, show you guys the pickups. So this is what I ended up picking up from the Nike factory for like 50 something dollars, I think $53. And let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. So we ended up getting the Nike Air Presto X's, and this is the DBs. So this is a Doernbecher version, as you can tell from the Doernbecher box. I don't have the full box since this was on the hash wall, but you can see the freestyle on the box. And retail on these were only $100, and I got these. They were $70, and then on the hash wall, they were 20% off of that. So that is how much we paid for these ones. So this is the red colorway. They actually had a gray colorway, I believe, and a blue colorway also. And there was actually 3 different designers of these Doernbechers. The cool thing about this upper is it's a printed upper that they can create in hours. So it's a pretty cool shoe where they can actually custom create in a really short amount of time. And they do that in this really crazy technology, but you stand there basically in one spot and it laser etches all of the patterns onto the shoe for the upper. But these ones were only $100 retail, and I thought that was kind of a cool pickup. Obviously, I'm a huge fan of the Nike Prestos, and I actually did an uncaged version myself, so this is kind of cool to have just like a neoprene sort of cool upper from this Presto X. And that was the reason why I picked it up, but also the price point was just too good. Like 50 something dollars for the DB version. And I was definitely happy to pick these ones up. They had a whole bunch of other things at the Nike factory store, and I figured I'd show you guys some of the other things that we saw in store right now. So as you can see, they had a bunch of cool things in the Nike factory store in Portland. Then fast forward a couple days later, I went out to Lincoln City and I found a whole bunch of other things out there. And I'll show you guys some of those things right here. Dude, so I ran into the homie out here, Chase, out in the outlets in, where are we at? Lincoln City?
Lincoln City.
Yeah.
Lincoln City, Nike, store 178.
Yeah.
So.
Man, it's nice to see you again in person. I met you
sure,
at
man.
Index PDX with Kais.
Yep, with Kais.
Last year. It was pretty cool.
Pinnacles at Woodburn. They had the Pinnacle ones.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. So then, what, you have a channel as well?
Yeah, my channel is just Chase B. It's just literally Chase B.
Yeah.
I make videos on sneakers too. I just got the Off-White Zoom flies. I got a few of the Off-White collection. Yeezy reviews coming soon.
Nice.
There's plenty of those.
Well, I'll post a link to your channel and let everybody know.
For sure.
Yeah, it's nice to run into you again.
Yeah, good to see you.
So shout out to Chase out there at Lincoln City. Link in the description again for his YouTube channel. But let's go ahead and show you guys some of the pickups that I ended up getting from there. Kind of a no-brainer when I went there. When I saw these, that I was going to pick up this pair of sneakers. This is a Nike Free Trainer week 0, but it's a good one because it is the Oregon State Beaver colorway. Go Beavs, and you can see the Beav logo on the back, and it says OSU on the tongue. And then actually when you take out the inserts, it says Go Beavs on the inside at the bottom. So pretty cool pair of shoes, and I actually wore these the first day that I ended up getting them because I wanted to go ahead and throw these on feet. But I had my eye on these when they actually released, but I figured I'd just go ahead and wait. Maybe they'd be discounted, and of course they were. $50, but you can actually get them online right now. Not just the Beaver ones, but any of the college ones for I think 46 bucks. So if you guys are interested in those, check the link in the description, man. You can get any of the college ones for $46. Retail is $110. That's less than the employee store price for these college joints right here. So if you guys didn't see, I actually have the Oregon State 9s as well. I ended up getting these last year. I did an unboxing of these a long time ago. Super rare to get these ones, but I was super happy to add these ones to my collection. I also did an Oregon State Foamposite custom a long time ago, so definitely a fan of the orange color. Anyways, that's the second pickup that I ended up getting. The third one, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, yeah, what the heck? You just did a video saying you're not gonna buy any more Nike jackets, but actually Chase pointed this one out to me, and it was only $24. It's the Nike Dry Fit like shield jacket, and it was retail at $120, I think, 125 bucks. And I got it for $24, so I got it $100 off of retail. And honestly, when I went down to the beach, I didn't bring like a nice layered jacket. I had a really heavy rain jacket and I had a really light hoodie, so this was actually perfect to wear in between it. So that's kind of the reason why I got it, but also 24 bucks, like you couldn't really beat it. So that is why I bought this running jacket. And again, it's a dry fit too, and it's really, really warm, windproof. So a nice layering jacket. But I will tell you guys, after I did that Nike jacket video where I said I wasn't gonna buy any more Nike jackets, I did have another blunder. I had a puffy Nike jacket that has a hole right here on the side, so feathers are flying out of it. It's just ridiculous. But hopefully I'll have better luck with this one. I think this will be a good little investment for 24 bucks. Again, can't beat that price. So total price 24, and then $50, and then I think $54 for this one. So that was the total price of my pickups. Not a bad price if you ask me for the 3 items that I ended up getting. I had my eye on both of these shoes since they actually originally released. I just didn't end up pulling the trigger on both of these, so it was nice to get a deep discount on both of them. So that's kind of the haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And again, if you guys want to go out to Nike.com and go shopping, go check out their deals. You can see a lot of really, really solid deals out there. In fact, some of them are even cheaper than in the factory stores, as you can see in this case right here. So happy shopping. Again, leave some comments. Let me know what you guys end up finding online. There's some really fun things out there. And that is the end of the video. Well, sorry I didn't bring you guys a Top 5 Tuesday video today. Didn't have time to knock one of those ones out. I had just enough time to record this video, and then I still have all of my other daily duties like the dishes and hanging out with the family and, you know, doing my day job and all those other things. So that is the video. We'll leave you guys at that. We'll actually leave you guys with some bonus footage at the end of this video here. But thanks again for watching. Thumbs up if you guys like the video, and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys. So we got the Oregon State trainers right here. And these were only $50 at the outlets, which was awesome. Yeah, it's orange. Retail was $110 on these, and we got them for $50 at the outlets in Lincoln City. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Harrison said, "Go Beavs."
Go Beavs.
Oh yeah, go Beavs. DB.
B-O-T.
Oh yeah, no, look right here. See? DB. DB. See, they're Doernbechers. They're Nike Air Presto X's. Cool. Thanks for the help. Thanks for stopping by, Harrison.
Bye.
See you guys.
See you guys.